वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोन अवघ्या 400-500 वर्षापूर्वी जगामध्ये आला आणि धर्माचा इतिहास या देशामध्ये 5-6 हजार वर्षाचा आहे. आणि आपल्या देशाच्या घटनेत असं म्हटलं आहे की इट इज ए ड्युटी ऑफ एव्हरी इंडियन सिटिझन टू प्रमोट सायंटिफिक टेम्परामेंट. प्रत्येक कार्याच्या मागे कारण असतं, त्याच्यामागे देव नसतो, दैव नसतो, नशीब नसतं. या देशामध्ये असं सांगण्यात आलं, तू ओबीसी आहेस तुला एवढंच समजेल, तू दलित आहेस तुला काही समजणार नाही, तू स्त्री आहेस तुला शिकण्याचा अधिकारच नाही. जगातल्या सगळ्याच कार्यांच्या मागची कारणं समजत नाहीत. जसं आज कॅन्सर का होतो याचं कारण माहीत नाही, पण वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोन हा नेहमीच नम्र असतो. तो असं मानतो की आम्ही अखंड सत्याचा शोध चालू ठेवू. तो कधीही धर्मासारखा अंतिम सत्यावर उभा नसतो, तर सत्याच्या सातत्यावर उभा असतो.
In this address, Dr. Narendra Dabholkar says, the scientific approach came into this world just 500 years ago. The history of religion in this country is of around 5,000 years. But it is said in our constitution that it is a duty of every Indian citizen to promote scientific temperament. Every deed in this world has a reason. There is no God behind it. There is no destiny behind it. In this country, people were told that if you are an OBC, you will not understand everything. If you are a Dalit, you will not understand anything at all. If you are a woman, you have no right to education. We cannot understand the reason behind every deed in this world, just like we presently don't know how cancer happens. But the scientific approach is always humble. It acknowledges that we will continue the search of indefinite truth. It does not claim to know the definite truth like religion does, but it stands on the consistency of the truth. Dr. Narendra Achyut Dabholkar was an Indian medical doctor, social activist, rationalist and author from the state of Maharashtra. In 1989, he founded and became president of Maharashtra Andhashraddha Nirmulan Samiti (MANS). The organization aimed to eradicate superstitions in Maharashtra. Dabholkar was a qualified medical doctor, having obtained an MBBS degree from the Government Medical College of Miraj. He was also a known Kabaddi player. He had represented India against Bangladesh in a Kabaddi tournament. He won the Maharashtra government's Shiv Chhatrapati Yuva Award for Kabaddi. After working as a doctor for 12 years, Dabholkar became a social worker in the 1980s. In 2010, Dabholkar made several failed attempts to get an anti-superstition law enacted in the state of Maharashtra. Under his supervision, MANS drafted the Anti-Jadu Tona Bill. It was opposed by some political parties and the Warkari sect. Political parties like the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Shiv Sena opposed it, claiming it would adversely affect Hindu culture, customs and traditions. Dabholkar had faced several threats and assaults since 1983 but had rejected police protection. On 20 August 2013, while out on a morning walk, Dabholkar was shot down by two unidentified gunmen near Omkareshwar temple in Pune. In August 2015, the CBI and the Maharashtra government announced a rupees 1 million reward for any person providing information regarding Narendra Dabholkar's killers. On 18 August 2018, the CBI arrested Sachin Prakash Rao Andure, suspected of being one of the gunmen. Dabholkar's son Hamid Dabholkar believed this to be an important development in the case, which will help identify the planner behind the assassination. The case, however, remains unresolved till the date. Sharad Pawar, while responding to the CBI inquiry in Sushant Singh Rajput case today, taunted the central government and the CBI. I hope the investigation will not be carried on as was done with Dr. Narendra Dabholkar's murder case, also under investigation by the CBI, which commenced in 2014 and remains unresolved, Sharad Pawar said.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.